Everybody, it's Bill Confidence. What I'm going to show you today is the best wine opener out there in the industry. It's actually an electrical wine opener, so you don't have to do anything manual. One thing I have to say about this product is, just from the start, right off the bat, look at this beautiful retail packaging. It's elegant. It's got the slender, super design. It's a very powerful cork opener too. So it's gonna do the thing the right way. Oh wow, look at this. So it's got that nice thing, keeping it in place, making sure it doesn't damage. It's got an instruction manual. Who needs an instruction manual? It's just a wine toolkit, right? What's this piece? Let's check it out. Actually, to me, this looks like a, it's got that little claws down at the bottom so you can take off the foil. You just literally put it in and just hold it down and just like twist. And it's gonna cut. You gotta be careful because these things are probably kind of sharp, I guess. And also at the same time, it's got this dual multifunctional use. You can actually keep this thing standing right into place. Wow, that thing works out really well. You know what I like about that? It's not like loose and just like flying all over the place. Look how it just literally sits right there. Look, sit right there, right there, right there. It's not falling. This thing actually takes 4 AA batteries. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna literally, you don't have to unscrew and make life so difficult. It's not like this remote control car where it's flying all over the place. It's gonna stand right there. You take the 4 batteries, you simply just put it right in. This little piece is like, you wanna put that down there and then put the batteries in case you wanna just like fly all the batteries out. But how much wine can you drink, right? It's one of those things. The Denhaven electric wine opener, it's got an ergonomic design, the way you're holding this thing, and I love this thing. If you have any questions, just go ahead and feel free to reach out to us. Let us know what you think. Thank you.